Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 78 Ford F150 Ranger XLT two-wheel drive V8 automatic. You don't see very many of these super cabs in the you don't see very many super cabs at all, but you don't see very many two-wheel drive short boxes for sure. A couple little nicks on the grill surround, but actually in pretty good shape. Bumper's in good shape. Had a repaint, it's older. Few flaws on it that I'll show you, but definitely nice driver quality. Just got it in, hasn't been detailed, so you see tires are a little dirty there. So come from on a farm out west of, actually east of here on South Dakota. There's a little scratch, a couple little scratches here. And on both sides, these are kind of probably the worst spots. Interior has not been detailed at all, but they've got cruise and air, both work. Got aftermarket stereo, put some speakers in it, got the jump seats, headliner, one little crack on the dash right here. We're missing that piece of trim on this side, so them things are staples, so gotta be careful of them. Look nice and clean on the doors. There's your tag there. Come from western South Dakota, so that's probably part of the reason, but so it must have had the tie downs here on both sides. You can see where that paint has kind of settled a little bit, and had some holes in the box that they filled. There's 3 spots on each side of that. It appears there probably could be a little mud in this quarter right here, a couple of cracks. So driver quality truck, but a really neat truck. Had a hole in there for some reason. Even got blue dot tail lights. So same deal right on this side here. So they filled them in, and just with age that has settled a little bit. And so, but good looking truck, and there's that other spot on this side too. So try to show you all the flaws we can. Obviously 50-year-old vehicles in this price range aren't perfect, but it is a pretty nice old truck. So runs good. We just got it in. Like I said, hasn't been detailed at all. Just getting a quick video of it as is. So the guy died. It come off an estate. So any questions? 605-695-7391.